Hi, welcome back to Toy Gems. Today we're going to be unboxing a toy, and it's from Mega Construx American Girl Dolls. So we are going to be opening Grace's 2-in-1 Buildable Home. And so we can rebuild Grace's slumber party and cafe.
And also there is bunk beds and a teddy bear and also a sleeping bag for a slumber party.
And then we have the bathroom, which is super cool because it has so many little details. Same with the kitchen. Then we have the living room, of course. And then we have the 3 dolls and then a dog.
This is Grace, this is Ella, and then this is Maddie. And then there's no name for the dog, so we can just name it
and
whatever.
Then there's an activity book inside. So then we have some more sets that you can collect, and it looks like there are real fabric details,
which is a apron and a curtain
and maybe more. So let's get opening.
Okay, so we opened it here actually.
Whoa! So we've got.
Can we pull this down to get out the characters?
Yes.
Characters!
Maddie, Ella, Grace, and Grace's dog. And then we have an accessory booklet to put them all together, to put the accessories together. And then we have the ginormous book to put together the big buildings. So we're going to get started putting this together. So this is the front of the house we've put together so far. And then in the back we have some books, a TV, a counter, well, 2 counters, a fireplace, and some flowers.
Okay, so we have this doll holding this book. And then we have this sofa. And then we have this lamp. And then Grace. This table. And then we have this picture.
This is what 4 people have accomplished in half an hour. So we've finished all of the decorations and accessories, and we finished the first floor. We still had the bedroom to do, but we learned that the dog's name is Bon Bon. So, and then we have the plant, the toilet, and the sink. And then we have the couch, some books back here, and the lamp, the TV, and some flowers.
And then we also have this blender. And then we also have this toaster. And then this blender. And then we have this cake and a refrigerator and an oven.
And we'll see you when it's all done. This is the outside of the house we made. It's one of the things I like about it is that it has a mailbox that actually moves. And there's also these lights that I really like. And then there's a balcony, which I also like. And then all the plants. Now we are going to look inside the house.
And we also have this little sliding bed. And then we have this little TV that actually has a picture on it. Then we have this little ribbon and this little purse.
We also made a little patio area. This was what it came with, the base, I mean. And then we made a bar up top with the extra pieces. And it took us about 2 hours to put this all together. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to make sure you don't miss any.